Pelican 1660 case review, the only case that survives real hell. Picture this. You're at the gate, heart in your throat, watching baggage handlers yeet your $45,000 camera rig onto the cart like it's a bag of laundry. I've been that guy, sweating bullets in Nairobi after seeing my old case split open on the tarmac. Ever had that nightmare? Tell me your worst baggage horror story below. I'm reading them all. That sinking, nauseating dread when the conveyor belt spits out a cracked case and you hear glass rattling inside? Brutal. Now imagine checking your gear and feeling nothing. Zero stress. Just bored confidence. Because whatever they do to it, drop it, drown it, drive over it, your stuff comes out perfect. That calm is real. You ready for it? Here's the Pelican 1660 protector case with foam. The black tank that National Geographic shooters, Netflix underwater crews, and Metallica's touring techs all swear by when failure isn't an option. IP67 watertight, crushproof, dustproof, with an automatic pressure valve so it never vacuum locks at 38,000 feet. 4 oversized polyurethane wheels that laugh at gravel and curbs. A retractable handle that actually feels good at 2 a.m. after a 14-hour load-in. Stainless padlock protectors that stop TSA from prying it like a sardine can. And the Pick N Pluck foam? Magic. One drone pilot was rushing to a glacier chute in Patagonia. Old case cracked mid-flight, lens shattered. Switched to the 1660 mid-tour, carved perfect cavities in 20 minutes on the tarmac, landed in Chile, shot 8K all week in blowing snow. Gear came home pristine. That's not luck, that's Pelican. A cinematography rental house told me their fleet of 1660s has logged over 1,200 rental days on red and RE packages. 0 cases ever returned with water damage or broken wheels, even after cargo flights to 70 countries. A major agency armorer said their 1660s have been blown off Humvees in Afghanistan and still open bone dry. A YouTuber strapped one to his Jeep roof, drove logging roads for a week, then threw it off a second-story balcony, still watertight. Yes, it's heavy. Yes, it costs more. But every single owner says the same thing. The day I watched a forklift run over my 1660 and my 180K rig survived without a scratch, I stopped caring about the price. Thousands of pros who used to baby their gear now just toss the Pelican and walk away smiling. Type "still using cheap cases" in the comments if you enjoy Russian roulette with your livelihood. I'll wait. If you're done gambling with your gear on planes, expeditions, tour buses, or job sites, the Pelican 1660 with foam is the last case you'll ever need. Join the expedition photographers, touring techs, and disaster response teams who sleep easy knowing their rigs are inside an actual tank. Real protection, real stories, 0 compromises. Click it only if you're finally ready to stop stressing every time you check a bag. See you in the comments, legends.